Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about yield function. This yield function is useful in case of bonds or other fixed income securities where the bond is fetching a periodic interest payment. So basically coupon payment is there in this particular bond. So here is the syntax of this yield function, and the variables used are settlement. Settlement date is the date when the present bondholder has got this bond. So this bond might have been issued in the past, but the present bondholder has got this bond on the settlement date. So here is a brief write-up is there. The security settlement date. The security settlement date is the date after the issue date when the security is traded to the present buyer. Maturity date is the final maturity date of the bond when the investor is going to get back his money. So it is the security expiry date. Issue date is the date when this bond is being issued for the first time. The rate is the coupon rate. Then price is the security price per 100 face value. And redemption price is the final price of the security on the maturity date. What is the redemption price for that particular bond? This price is the price when the present buyer has acquired this security. And then frequency is the frequency of coupon payment, whether it is half yearly, quarterly or what. Then basis is the day count convention. So whether we are using 30 by 360 basis or actual by 365, that we need to choose, and then accordingly we need to put these figures in that particular column. So let us try to understand it by an example. Here is a bond which is acquired by the present buyer on 1st of May 2021. This bond was actually initially issued on 1st of January 2021. So after 4 months, this present buyer has acquired it. The final maturity of this bond is 31st December 2025. Then coupon rate is 10%, and the price at which the present buyer acquired on settlement date is 98.12. Redemption value of this bond on maturity date will be 105. Coupon payment frequency is half yearly, that is 2 we have taken, and the basis is we are taking 30 by 360, that is the US convention. So let us try to calculate the yield. So go to function tab, from there choose yield formula and then put the data. So settlement date 1st of May 2021, maturity date 31st December 2025, rate 10%, price is the price of security. So this is the price which the buyer has paid for getting this security. And then redemption is the final maturity price of the security, redemption value. And then frequency of is coupon payment frequency, and basis is day count convention. And then press OK. So this bond is trading at 11.36% yield. This yield means if this present buyer is going to keep this bond in possession till the maturity, then he is going to get a 11.36% gain over his investment. Thanks for watching my video. I hope these are useful videos. Please subscribe.